Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Vamsi Kumar from Manusar Tech. Today we will learn a new concept: how to combine all rows into one single row. Where this is, I got a question from the YouTube user. Let me explain clearly about this. Where he is having the multiple rows. Just for demo purpose, I have taken the 14 rows, 14 row values. Let me clearly explain here. And here he wants to combine, he wants to merge with all rows into one single row. This is an input form, and he wants to output would be like as an value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3. Like he wants to get the result output like to be up to, how many rows are there, in a single column how many rows are there. He wants to combine or merge with one single value, and he wants to write it in the another, in another Excel. So I have taken a user, I have taken this question, and let me explain. I have designed this some workflow for you. Here I have designed this workflow. Let me explain you clearly. um, just I have taken an Excel I have taken an Excel application scope for to read the Excel, how many columns are there, how many rows are there. And if we have, here one more condition is also there. I have taken the header one. Like if we have any multiple row columns of data, we can combine with the one column only. He wants to combine with the B row, B column with the C1, not like, just let me take. And here the result would be like header 1, and after header 2. Like we need to get these kind of data. So I have read the Excel demo of my Excel dot. This is the my Excel, and I wants to, I am reading the read range activity. Using the read range activity, I am reading the data, and I am storing it in a in DT. I am taking inside of the DT, and I am assigning a one variable. This is an string variable, if you observe here. And I have, I will explain two types of the how can we achieve this value, how can we achieve this code. In two ways we can able to achieve. Right now I am showing you here a string join function I have used for this one. Let me explain you clearly here. I have taken the string join function, and I'm specifying, where I am dividing. I need to get, initially I have shown you here value 1 and separated by comma, so value 2 separated by comma, like that. So I have separating using the commas. I'm joining the all rows, and here I have mentioned in DT. It is my DT. I have taken the as enumerable function. It is an enumerating, and select where function. This is a function, and here we can specify any name. If we need any, I B, we can specify anything like this, B or A. This is for indication purpose only. And the field would be as a string, what we are processing the inside of the data. And I am taking as a column. This is my column, and two array I am combining all, all the rows I am combining into one row only. Let me run this, then you will get understand how, where we able to where we are adding this run type of this. And firstly it will guys who are, sorry, we have got an error issue. What is source right cell activity, right cell activity here? What's the issue? Let me check. The data want to has format. Excel is busy because, okay, Excel is because means we have already opened this Excel, so we need to use in the Excel application scopes activity. So I am taking right cell activity. This is the right cell activity. No, this one is already we have used it here. Let me close this one. No, in general we know we don't require to. Why? Because I understood why, because we haven't saved this activity. If you observe here, we have already I mean we are doing the some process, so it was throwing an error. So uh, I'm saving the I mean I am saving the Excel application, then we were able to achieve. Right now we, if you observe here, all the rows converted into one single row only. If we want to for another row, just we need to simply replace with 0 with 1, then we will get as a B column. For B column we will get, let me run this part. Yeah, if you observe here, we got an output. This is the one way. And if we want to achieve this, we can do one more thing also. I have done with the same thing. Let me take let me uncomment this. Yeah, and I will comment out this. We can able to achieve, I mean just we need to know the logic, then we can able to achieve number of ways. I'm taking initially I'm taking an a one result variable here after reading, and I am passing the data into for each row, and I have assigned it an a result variable. No problem, we no issues, we can take anyway. I'm just passing it to result, and also here I am taking the one result. Here the result value will be as in a string format only, and just initially it is an empty string. We haven't specified any values here, the result variable, and I am passing the in for each row data, and I have taken an as an activity here. I am just assigning the row of 0.2 string and comma separated by. Again and again it will loop until the data reaches to 0, I mean until data reaches to end value. So I'm assigning the result variable. Here I have assigned the result variable, same thing, and I'm writing it into cell. If you observe here, I'm deleting here, and I have saved this Excel, and I am running again. We will achieve through a number of ways, but we just need to know the logic only. Let me just check 1 second, guys, what it did. Row of 0.2 string of 0, result will be sheet 0. Yes, result only we need to achieve. Why we got only one value 14. uh, Let me run again. Yeah friends, we did some mistake here. Big what is that, we need to pass result value also, because we need to store the, I mean we need to store the result value also now. So that's the reason we didn't able to achieve. And let me make this here. I'm pressing Ctrl X and moving to here with the commas. Yeah, this would be right, because initially we are passing the result, I mean we initially we are passing the all values to result variable. The result variable will store here, and let me, if I run this, we will get the all the values. I here only value 14 is available right now. If you observe here, we got it in a entire strings. This is the guys. And guys, if you who are please do subscribe and share the channel. And one more thing I want to know, give, recently we have launched a education for everyone, that we are sharing the Udemy coupons. You can directly check and go through there. This is the link where I am providing in link also in description. This is the my channel I have created for the sharing of the coupons. And if we go there, you will get multiple coupons like these are all I am posting only paid courses only. You can enroll for free only, free of cost. Thanks for guys watching this video. Please do subscribe and share the channel. And one more thing, if you have any doubts or any new questions, please rise and please comment below, or else you can directly ping me. Thanks guys for watching.